Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check if someone read your text message? Well, to check if someone read your text message, you need read receipts enabled on both your phones and theirs. For iPhones on iMessage and on Androids RCS with Google Messages, this shows read under the message while traditional SMS or MMS won't show red status but might offer delivery receipts. Other apps like WhatsApp have their own red indicators as well. So if you want to go ahead and do it on iMessage, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings and then simply go ahead and look for messages inside of your apps right over here. Once you've found the messages apps, tap on that, and then all you need to do is simply go ahead and turn on red receipts right over here. So let me just go ahead and show you. So as you can see there, send a red receipt. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.